Welcome, today I am in E63S AMG and today I'll show you how you can check weather in this car. So one of the methods, we have to touch our screen and we have to go for apps, then simply tap on the weather. Right now we have to wait a little bit, and as you can see here we got the weather for today in the Krakow. We can also go for the other days, just like that. So there we got the weather details. Let me just go back, and as you can see here we can find other next 10 days. So there we got Friday, for example, Saturday, and basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.